about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts.
Good morning, everybody. Now, what are we thinking for breakfast? I'm thinking I want to do those pancakes. Remember those protein pancakes? Yeah, let's do that. Let's clean this first, though. My RV is a disaster. Oh no! I'll have enough syrup for one pancake. Maybe. I totally forgot. This was the empty one I put in there, but I actually put one in the fridge. So today, I am actually training somebody to relieve my position. So somebody is coming in, I'm gonna be training them for the next 2 days to do baggage, and then I am going to strictly be doing tours and bus stuff. Look how many buses we have. All of them down there, all of them down here, and this is like only half of the buses. There's gonna be another like 20 buses coming for the cruise ship season. You guys remember in my last vlog, Rogers, where I washed my truck? This guy makes all these buses run all season long. Take bags, then you can have that, and then the rest is set that way. Just got to the Clipper terminal. I noticed that on the National truck, the tire was getting a little bit low, as you can see. So I think our first stop is to air that up and obviously get this tire changed. Hey Roger, I got a really tough job for you, buddy. Can you put air in this tire right here? This has to be one of my favorite hotels to deliver to. They have a fish pond in the lobby. A fish pond. It's called Parkside Hotel. If you ever come to Victoria, I'd highly recommend this hotel. Look at how big that one is. So the bags are done. I just came back to my RV for a quick nap. I just love having my RV with me at all times. It makes napping so easy. I'm just at the cruise ship terminal now. There's actually a cruise ship in tonight. And so we're gonna be doing some work. I'm gonna jump in a bus. We're gonna be going out to Butchart Gardens, and then we're also gonna be doing a city tour tonight. This is my really good buddy, Jade. He's texting, he's busy. See, you can see yourself on the side?
Pretty sweet, looking good.
Look at that, yeah. So Jade works here. Jade kind of started around the same time I did. We became buddies, and this is his bus that he's driving. Also, you're getting married.
That's true.
You're getting married, and he invited me to the wedding. I'm a groomsman. Okay, Jade, give us a tour from here to there.
Well, we're just here at Ogden Point. This is Victoria's one and only cruise ship terminal.
Thanks for the tour, buddy.
Anytime.
See you around.
That's late for bus driver time.
I know, right? All right, we're looking for C12. C12. It's either right here or It's way over there. Hopefully it's right here because I don't want to walk all the way across the parking lot. It might be this one. T12. That's what we like to see. So I just pre-tripped the bus, but one thing you gotta make sure works is your microphone, because I'm giving a tour tonight, and it's very embarrassing if you show up and you start talking in this. If you show up and your microphone's not working, it's very, very embarrassing. Hello everybody, welcome on board. Can you guys hear me back there? Every time I get in one of these buses, I feel like a kid in a candy shop. Every time. It doesn't matter how tired I am, how many hours I've worked, it's exciting. And they're so nice to drive. It's literally like driving like a Cadillac. It just feels like you're floating down the highway. So right now I'm headed to Butchart Gardens, and I'm a little bit early, but there is a good reason to be a little bit early when going to Butchart Gardens. Okay, never mind. I was gonna say that they have, well they do, they have the best ice cream ever, and I was gonna do some scenes like going to get the ice cream, but I forgot that they're closed. They're closed right now. Oh, I wish that they had ice cream. Maybe the place is still open. We'll go check. So it looks like they're still open, and never mind what I just said. We're gonna go get some ice cream. Hello. Good. How are you? Good. Good. Question.
Yeah.
Do you guys still have ice cream going?
We do, yes.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Eh? This right here is like, it's the best ice cream I've ever tasted in my whole entire life. I mean, better than Ben & Jerry's, better than any gelato ice cream. Actually, Butchart Gardens makes their own homemade gelato ice cream here. It's better than that. So if you ever come here, go to that cafe right there, get soft ice cream, vanilla, chocolate, or twist it both together, get crazy. You can't go wrong. I think I'm the only one here. So let's make a bet. I'm gonna say, I wanna say that I'm gonna bring nobody back because it's really dead in there, but I bet you I'm gonna close that door, and as soon as I start driving off, there'll be people running for the bus. So my bet is 2. Place your bets in the comment section below. How many people guessed 0? You are the winners. So the tour I'm doing right now, it leaves in like 30 minutes. It's a twilight tour, and it's like a city tour, but at nighttime, so you get to see the sunset. It is beautiful.
Hello.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
We are at Cattle Point right now. But yeah, I've got 12 passengers on board. They're enjoying the tour. I love when people are kind of interactive. Sometimes you get people who don't say anything or don't laugh at your jokes, and it's a little bit hard, right? So you kind of have to, when that happens, you kind of have to tell the tour like you're talking to yourself and having a great time. You can't let people's mood kind of influence your tour, which I did when I first started out. So that's something I learned, just to be happy, be positive. If people aren't enjoying it, you know, you're doing your best job you possibly can. Man, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Do something you want to do. Keep living that dream. If you feel like subscribing, you're more than welcome to do so. If you don't want to subscribe, hey, no worries. We're still friends. We're still friends. And I'm still gonna make videos. Until next time, my friends, have a wonderful night. Take care and bye-bye.